Oh boy, coming up on Mr. Gnome. This is where Mr. Gnome is. I call him Mr. Gnome. All right. How you doing?
Okay, how about you?
Pretty good. I see you still got the gnome thing going on.
Oh yeah, well I got it. I got to. The people want it, so.
Yeah, it's been about 8 years since I've been out here, so it's nice.
Yeah. Well, it's been there over 20 years, so.
Yeah.
But it gets a lot of new ones.
I see that. I've definitely been at it.
And they're all coming from people on the trail now.
Oh, really? That's what
I haven't been buying any.
Oh, no point, yeah?
Yeah.
Well.
Well, I'm kind of running out of room.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's neat.
Yeah, people just love them, and they want to know if I can take a new gnome. I said, sure. Yeah, I'll find a room for it.
That's a good idea.
And some of them just drop them off and don't even ask me, you know.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah.
The worst part was last week somebody left two little gnomes and they were naked.
Oh, naked gnomes?
I said, I don't put those.
Yeah.
You know, that's...
We'll put those behind the trees over there, you know?
No. No, I painted clothes on them.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
sitting out there right in full view now, and it's you can't tell the difference than the other gnomes.
Oh, man.
Always easy to do something.
Yeah. Yeah, there's always something neat to look at on these trails.
Yeah.
I've hit so many of them in different states, and yeah, this is neat.
Yeah. Well, it's been widely advertised.
Oh yeah, well yeah, it was on Google Maps, and like I said, I've done this trail a few times, but it's been about, it's been about 8 years since I've been out here, so.
Yeah, one of the interviews is on YouTube.
Yeah.
Because it was on two different television stations.
Okay.
So people hear about it.
Everybody wants to see.
Now that it's on Google Maps.
Yeah, it's on Google Maps.
that I couldn't believe it.
Wow. Yeah, well, a lot of people use this trail, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
I mean, like I said, there was more people on this trail. I went on to North Bend Rail Trail in West Virginia, and I saw more people in the beginning of the parking lot than I saw on that trail. So it's not a heavily used trail. Only if you're close to the towns. Other than that, you're pretty much out there.
Well, this just builds up year to year.
Yeah, it's like the C&O and the Gap. That's ever since last 10 years, it's really gotten so popular, these trails, you know. I was just surprised how the North Bend Rail Trail wasn't so heavily populated. That's part of the American Discovery Trail too. Like this trail is part of the East Coast Greenway. So, but yeah. Yeah.
It really gets busy on the weekends, of course.
Oh yeah.
And tomorrow and Sunday supposed to be great days.
Oh yeah. I think
80s and sunny. Not like it's been with the rain and rain and rain and
right.
And then before that, all the 90, 98, 99 degrees days.
Oh, it was hot.
All that.
I was in Missouri on the Katy Trail in June. Man, I've never been so hot in my life. It was hot out there. Oh, we meet again.
Hey,
how you doing?
Good.
Yourself? Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, this wasn't that hot in June compared to, I think it was last part of July.
Yeah.
And then into August.
Yep.
Did you used to have Home Sweet Home? I mean, Gnome Sweet Gnome?
Yeah, it's on that that little house back there with the.
Okay, that's where I saw it.
Yeah, with the dome sitting on top. I think that's the one.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh, You still got cold drinks in there and snacks?
I just filled it up
Yeah.
and put more ice in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
See what-
Hello. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
I saw you before.
Oh, you did?
Everybody saw you though.
I know.
That bright shirt, I guess.
I think so. All right.
You got your
We meet at my GoPro.
yeah.
Yeah, we meet again.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
I'm slow moving.
Slow moving, huh?
It's all right.
See what I got.
I gotta take a picture here, Bonnie. You want me to get you in the picture, or you want to get me in the picture? Hey, right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
All drinks are $1.50.
Huh? Camera, hold on. Here we go. Okay. You want me in there? Like what?
E-bike. So he's got a snack fund. Get me a Coke and some crackers. But yeah, I'll show y'all this gnome. Oh, let me get this up. Yeah. Here's the snack fund. Got some drinks. Nice and cold. So there's the Gnome Mountain. I call it Gnome Mountain, but he calls it Gnome Hill. And it says Gnome Hill, land of the little people. Elvis tribute artist Little
You got the owner.
Nelvis. Yeah, there's the owner over there. He's been on the news and everything else, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's definitely grown since 8 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Strong.
I'm gonna get a new outfit one of these days.
All right. Mountain Mojo. Out.